trying to display the orange flesh sweet potatoes.
It's called what?
Orange flesh sweet potatoes.
Orange flesh sweet potatoes.
Yes, because if you're to open inside, realize it's orange.
It's orange in color.
Yes. So this orange shows the vitamin A in it. So this vitamin A, we advise clients to consume it to fight malnutrition. So that's why we are promoting it. Also here, this one is also the same thing. It's also orange. So we have 3 varieties. We have Nasport 13, we have Kakamega, and then we have Nasport 8. So we are trying to promote it. Meanwhile here, we are trying to also promote the selling, the buying of the vines. So it depends on which variety.
So the vines are for sale?
Yes, they are for sale. So this is just a sample and the product that comes out of each. So you realize Nasport 13, this is what comes out of it. This one is what comes out of it. So these are the 3 varieties we promote. So if you make your order, we take your details and then we bring the amount of bags you need.
So are these products being are they being modified from this area?
For us we don't call it modification, but we take it that we multiply the vines. We multiply the vines. That is in Morlem. So when you need the vines, because a bag we sell it at 15,000.
Okay.
Having 1,000 cuttings. You make your order, then you bring them.
All right. Okay, thank you very much.